Good evening. This is the Owen James report. The Jamaican dollar revalued against the benchmark American dollar October 24. That day, the greenback weakened by 4 Jamaican cents at an average selling rate of $127.57 Jamaican. It's one of the strongest rates of the Jamaican dollar against the US dollar in months. However, the Jamaican currency weakened against the Canadian dollar and sterling. The Canadian dollar gained 41 cents Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $101.85 Jamaican, while sterling advanced by $1.40 Jamaican at an average selling rate of $168.30. Amidst brisk trading and gains by key stocks such as Grace Kennedy, NCB, and Sagicor Group, the Jamaican stock market indices rose Tuesday. The All-Jamaican Composite Index gained almost 1,600 points, or 0.5%, while the main JC and Jamaica Select indices rose by 0.5% and 0.75% respectively. 42 stocks traded, with 17 advancing, 14 declining, and 11 holding firm. Market volume amounted to 11.6 million shares worth $181.7 million. Winners included Berger, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Lasco Distributors, Mayberry Investments, NCB Financial Group, Portland JSX, Sagicor Group Jamaica, Stationery and Office Supplies, and Sagicor's Real Estate X Fund. The losers included Caribbean Cement, Cable and Wireless Jamaica, Jamaica Brawlers, JMMB Group, Ordinary Shares, Scotia Group, Supreme Ventures, and JMMB Group 7.5% variable rate Jamaican dollar preference shares. On the international scene, Venezuela has missed 7 interest debt payments this month, totaling over $590 million. Now, analysts say this has raised fears of an imminent default. On Friday, October 27, a much larger $984 million interest payment comes due, a test of whether or not the South American nation can ride out the current economic crisis. Argus Media reports that among the immediate effects of a Venezuelan debt default would be a shutdown of the crude and refined product imports on which it increasingly depends. Argus Media added that exports and oil tankers would be at risk of seizure. Now, finally, international oil prices rose over 1% today after top exporter Saudi Arabia said it was determined to end the supply glut, while prices also drew support from forecasts of a further drop in U.S. crude inventories, as well as nervousness over tensions in Iraq and Kurdistan. Brent crude, the global benchmark, settled up 96 cents or 1.7% to $58.33 a barrel, while U.S. crude settled up 57 cents or 1.1% to $52.47. And that's the Owen James report. Good evening.